John Murtaugh, Vice President, MCI Flowtronex. Today we're going to do a little exercise on navigating, troubleshooting a problem with your remote intelligence system. So first thing we're going to do is open up a site. So we're going to be on this site right here up in Hawaii. We're going to go look at the alarms. So we're going to go to station operation. We're going to look at alarms. There are quite a few alarms showing up here that have to do with filter flushes, but I'm going to go down here to the alarm that I care about the most, and that is a cycle warning, which means we have a pump cycling. It also tells you the pump was cycling on VFD versus across the line, which would be XL. So note this was on 7/11 at 1800 hours. So now we're going to go back and we're going to get on the graph. So we'll go to station operation. We're going to go to our graph. We're going to click up here. We're going to go to historical and say, let's look at 710 to 711. It's going to pull it up. It's going to take a minute. It loads the whole thing, and you don't have to hunt very much to see here's where the problem was. Now we can move back and forth with this. This is 24 hours, so it's kind of messy. We're going to zoom in. I'm doing this by rolling my mouse and zooming in. So what you're seeing here is the events occurring. To get a better snapshot, click on your second icon here. And as you drag across the screen, it's going to tell you what's going on. Essentially, the VFD is starting, going up and satisfying the demand. A little bit of flow kicks up every time we move the pressure up, and the VFD says, I'm satisfied, and the VFD shuts back down. That's indicative of an irrigation head being stuck on. So we'll clear the X traces so that we can see what we're looking at. I'll get back, to this. Scroll it in a little bit, zooming it in. When did it stop? I'll move the screen. So it stopped over here. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in a little bit on this screen because this also is giving you something kind of interesting. So the blue is your flow. So let's get where we can digest it a little bit. As I drag across the flow, you can see I'm spiking up to 67 gallons to 0 gallons over and over and over. But yet the pressure is steady. This is your pressure. It's stable and steady. The drive is stable and steady. So something's going on in the irrigation here that's surging up and down, up and down, up and down. We're not reacting. We're just holding steady. But this gives you a picture of what's happening. So we had a head stuck on, and then for all we know, this may be the same head that's stuck on, but now we've kicked in a main pump because this pump decided it needed to rest. Our system will say you've cycled too many times, rest. Then the main pump came on, and this is the culprit. This is a head weeping up and down. There you go.